Actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are gram-positive and rod-shaped bacteria, and they have a long filament which is branched. And there are two types of medically important actinomycetes. One is Actinomyces israeli and other is Nocardia asteroides. Actinomyces israeli, this was first discovered by a German surgeon whose name is James Adolf Israeli. So according to his name, it is called Actinomyces israeli, and it is produced actinomycosis. On the other hand, Nocardia asteroids, it is produced nocardiosis. Actinomyces israeli, it is anaerobes bacteria, and it is normally found in our oral cavity. It is the normal flora of our oral cavity, but if our oral cavity will injured by the dental extraction or broken jaw, then this pathogen produce inflammatory reaction in our oral cavity. It attack our oral cavity cell and tissue, and this Actinomyces israeli and injured oral cavity cell, they produce chemoattractive factor for the neutrophil. So at the site of infection, neutrophil will come in, and also later on macrophage also come in at this site, and this cell, neutrophil, macrophage, Actinomyces israeli and infected oral cavity cell, they produce destructive enzyme and this destructive enzyme, they attack the normal surrounding cell, and they destroy the this destructive enzyme and destroy the structural protein of that normal surrounding cell, and from those cell fluids come out, and those cells go to the process of necrosis. So at the site of inflammation, there is necrotic cell surrounded by the cellular fluid, and this structure look like a yellow creamy color, and it is called purge, and it is normally formed by the Actinomyces israeli attack in the face and the neck. And treatment, we should give the patient penicillin G, Now Nocardia asteroids. Nocardia asteroids, it produce nocardiosis, and it is aerobes bacteria, and it is normally found in the soil, and it is normally attack in our lung, and in the lung it also produce inflammatory reaction by this mechanism, and it also produce the purge in the lung, and this purge is surrounded by some healthy cell, and these are the active healthy cell, and outside this there is the dilated blood vessel, and outside there is the fibroblast, and this whole structure is called abscess. And another thing that these blood vessels are dilated because endothelium or endothelium of this blood vessel are injured, and injured endothelial blood vessel, they produce nitric oxide or and endothelin, which are vasodilator agent. And also from the inflammatory zone, there is production of prostaglandin, leukotriene, histamine, and these are the also vasodilator agent. That's why this blood vessel will remain dilate, and this whole structure is called abscess, and it may be also affect this Nocardia asteroids also affect our brain, and in the brain they form the brain abscess. Treatment, we should give the patient trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole. Trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole. So this is all about actinomycetes. Thank you.